Good afternoon all. Audio video clear. Welcome all of you. So welcome to the next rapid fire lecture. In the rapid fire lecture we are discussing 10 questions from different topics of general aptitude, which is useful for upcoming NET exam also, upcoming GATE exam also. So please take an effort to share this link to all your friends. They can attend this live, or if they are watching it later also, the recording will be there in the channel. So please share the link. By the time you share the link, I'll just introduce our courses and other resources we provide as part of Christy's classes. We'll take 1 minute for that. For the new students, my name is Christy Varghese. I have trained more than 2 lakh aspirants for CSIR-NET, GATE and UPSC and civil service exam, and I have written few books on general aptitude, and I was part of Unacademy and other premium coaching platforms. And this is a bestseller book I have written for general aptitude section. Or if you want to be part of our free resources, these are the free resources we provide. Check the description of the video to get the links of all these resources, and make sure all of you have subscribed the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever we go for a live class or whenever we update new study materials or anything. You will be able to get the links and other things. And if you want full-length course from us, the recorded course is now available at a limited time price of $599. The latest recorded course. This is a recording of the latest live batch we conducted recently, and this is for the December 2025 exam. So those of you have few days for the exam. If you want a course where you get all the recording, all the class notes, worksheets, PYQs, mock tests, 10 mock tests, everything together, we are giving it at a very nominal price. Separately, if you want purchase only mock test, only flashcards, likewise also it is available. And live complete course we were running, but now for December exam you don't have to do live complete course because the time is very less. But for June 2026 exam we are starting a new batch, or GATE ka bhi we have live complete course for GATE. Currently it is available as a crash course. Those of you want to join the crash course, you can join it, and recorded courses are also available. So let's start without any more delay. So let's try the first question. 10 questions from different topics, and I am picking these questions from the latest GATE and CSIR PYQs. Jupyter plus whether that 10 tests is enough depends upon your practice. If your all the topic practice is well, definitely the 10 test will help you to revise all the things. But if you are new to preparation, definitely you need more learning. So you have to go through the detailed videos, practice questions, etc. Priya, what I will suggest you is in 20 days, what you can do is PYQ practice kariye. In our course also we do PYQ practice topic by topic. So that will be helpful. Okay, try this question all of you. Any answers? Okay, as it is a rapid fire lecture, I will start explaining. In the given figure, EF and FG are coded as 30 and 80. EF is coded as 30 means EF and the 30, you can see that they are vertically opposite. Geometrically speaking, these are vertically opposite angles, we can say. Matlab, two lines intersecting, the angles formed opposite to each other, they are called vertically opposite angles. Similarly, HG is same as 80, question says. Matlab, this is connected to this. That's why we understood that the pattern is this vertically opposite positions is the coding done. So what pattern say you have to check now which will be the correct answer. So EF, alphabetically EF, fifth and sixth letter of English alphabets hai na. Last day I have shown you the flashcard for this EJOT code and alphabetical order. So E fifth letter hai, F sixth letter hai. ये 5 and 6 का product है ना 30. Multiplying 5 into 6 you will get 30. Similarly, HG, EFGHIJ, EJOT code से J 10th letter है, H 8th letter है, और ये 8 into 10 का product है, ये 80. मतलब alphabetical order उसका product, वो equivalent numbers का product. F is 6th letter, EFG, G is 7th letter, so 6 into 7 42, वो 42 यहाँ आना चाहिए ना. अभी ऑप्शन एलिमिनेशन कर सकता है. 42 वाला एक ही ऑप्शन है, so option C should be the answer. But anyway, what is this 35? Yeah, here you have to use the concept of factors. 35 फॉर्म करने के लिए 5 into 7 हो सकता है या 1 into 35 हो सकता है, but 35 alphabets are not there in English. That is why 5 into 7 होने का chances ज़्यादा है, या 7 into 5. But smaller, bigger, that is the order generally formed. So it should be 5th letter and 7th letter, E, F, G. So E, G. Third option satisfies that also, इसलिए option C answer है. सबको clear है ना? Some of you got other answers. Is it clear now why option C is the correct answer? And this was asked in 2025 GATE exam. Similar question NET exam में भी आया था एक बार. Then try this question. It's a hybrid question, data interpretation and statistics or average chapter. ये दोनों involved है इसमें. Carefully try करिए. Yeah, as NET and GATE both allow virtual calculator. If you want, you can use calculator in case if that takes time. But please understand, your hand calculator or mobile calculator उतना easy नहीं है virtual calculator use करना. Some of you got an answer. Very good. So the question says scores obtained by two students P and Q in 7 courses are given in the table below. Based on the information given in the table, which one of the following statements is incorrect? Read it carefully. Sometimes the mistake that students make is correct and incorrect word को misunderstand करेगा. Incorrect पूछा है, but majority of the question asks about correct statement. So students, without reading the question properly, search for correct answers and get the wrong answer or negative mark. That should not happen. So let us check. Average score of hello, hello. Am I audible now? Hello, am I audible now? Yes, I guess. So let's continue. Sorry for the delay. Let's continue. So yeah, this was a question. Okay, so scores obtained by two students P and Q in 7 courses are given in the table. So we are asked to find the incorrect statement, not the correct statement. Incorrect statement पूछा है. So P और Q दोनों का we have to find the incorrect. Sorry, P and Q दोनों डेटा का average score we need to find. Okay. So you can use virtual calculator in exams. So here also, if you want, you can use calculator. So P 22, 89, 50, 45, 78, 60, 79. Iska average is sum of observation divided by number of observation. And Q also you have to find average. And similarly, you have to find median of P and Q. First we will find median because that is easy to find and see whether that will give you the answer or not. So hello, am I audible? Okay, there's the video stuff. Just a minute. Okay, I'll continue. So what is the median of P? What is the median of Q? Median find करने के लिए you have to find the middle value after arranging the numbers into increasing or decreasing order. Here, are they in increasing or decreasing order? No. So you have to rearrange them, or in the mind itself you can check which will be the middle value after rearranging. After rearranging. Please wait. Please wait. There is some technical issue. PowerPoint is not working. Okay, hope it is visible now. Let's continue. Sorry for the delay. So average median score of P is same as median score of Q. Option B, let us verify, or first we will find median because that is easy to find. So here 22 is the smallest value, second smallest is this, then this, total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So fourth term will be the median for sure. So fourth term confirm 50 hoga. So median of P will be 50. Similarly, Q का median क्या होगा? Smallest is 35, then it is 45, then 50, then 56 will be the fourth term, which will be the median. The median of P is same as median of Q. 50 and 56 same nahi hai. So option B is incorrect. So it is the answer, because question is asking for incorrect statement. ये सबको clear है ना? बहुत ही simple है ना? So that is how to do it. Other options you can try yourself. Arithmetic mean and all, you can find it. As I told, why I started with median, not because median related option is the correct answer, because median is easy to find. Then try this question. This was also asked in 2025 GATE exam. The answers. Okay, I'll explain. Rohit goes to a restaurant for lunch at about 1 p.m. When he enters the restaurant, he notices that the hour and minute hands on the wall clock are exactly coinciding. Coinciding means angle between them is 0. Angle between hour hand and minute hand is 0. That is called coinciding. After about an hour, he leaves the restaurant. He notices that the clock hands are again exactly coinciding. About an hour means maybe 1 hour more or 1 hour less. How much time did Rohit spend at the restaurant? इसका detailed theory या इसका एक shortcut number है या magic number है. If you remember this, that itself is the correct answer. This was there in the flashcard for years. That directly was asked as a question, or indirectly we can say. Yeah, there is a typing error. This is 65 and 5 by 11, not 66. Option C is 65 and 5 by 11. So every time, every angle repeats after 65 and 5 by 11 minutes, we can say. Or after 65 and 5 by 11 minutes, any angle repeats. Some angles repeat even more frequently, but generally 0 degree. For example, 0 degree. 12 o'clock पे 0 degree होगा. Then 0 degree होगा 65 and 5 by 11 minutes later. 65 and 5 by 11 means 1 hour 5 and 5 by 11 minutes later. That is 1 5 5 by 11 में again होगा. Then उसके साथ 65 5 by 11 ऐड किया तो next time मिलेगा. Then next time etc. मतलब 1 hour 5 minutes 5 by 11 partial minutes means 1 hour is 60 minutes. 60 plus 5 65 minutes 5 by 11 minutes. इसका रीजन क्या है, ये सब क्लॉक प्रॉब्लम चैप्टर में भी डिस्कस इन डिटेल. So 65 and 5 by 11 minutes is a magic number. So option C is the correct answer. That's a theoretical question. Then try this question. This was asked in one of the latest CSIR-NET questions. Try it. Analogy problem. As I have told in the last class, we are trying to cover almost all the areas of general aptitude through this rapid fire lecture. Answer it super fast. It is so small a question, very fast you can do it. Okay, this is kind of a part and whole relationship, we can say. Analogy mein one major type of question is part and whole relationship. In our complete course, we listed almost 12 major types of analogy problems. Analogy is a small section, but uska hi there is a detailed study material we have prepared for it and many examples for each of the types. So this is part to whole relationship. Man is part of a whole group called crowd. Similarly, tree is the part of a whole group called forest. Trees make forest, right? Are you all understanding? So, option A is the correct answer. Simple hai na? Then let's go to a number system question. Carefully try kariye. Let's go a little faster so that we can complete the 10 questions in the time we planned. Okay, I'll explain. The sixth largest 3-digit odd number among those with all digits distinct. The question is just checking your basic understanding of numbers. Odd number क्या है, 3-digit number क्या है, distinct digits क्या है, ये basic facts. But if you don't read it properly, a small misunderstanding also can give you a wrong answer or confusion. 3-digit odd number with all digits distinct. ये all digits distinct नहीं था तो first 3-digit odd number is 999 और largest 3-digit odd number. But ये 999 different नहीं है, इसलिए distinct नहीं है, इसलिए 999 नहीं चलेगा. 997 also will not qualify for such a number. 6th digit नहीं है, I'm starting with the largest first digit. 995 भी नहीं चलेगा, 993 भी नहीं चलेगा. This all will not work. Then the first such number is 987. ये सबको clear है भाई, 987 is the first such number because 99 का किसी भी series that is not distinct. All digits distinct होना चाहिए. So 987 is the largest such 3-digit odd number. एक number odd होने के लिए उसका last digit odd होना काफी है. So 987. Then 985 भी चलेगा, second such largest number. 983 भी चलेगा, 981 भी चलेगा. 979, is it possible? No, because 99 repeats, so that is not okay. 977 not okay. 975 okay. 973 okay. The first largest, second largest, third largest, fourth largest, fifth largest, sixth largest. Option C is the correct answer. सबको clear है ना? This was a previous year question. All of you clear? Super easy, right? Then try this question. Now let's go to a reasoning question, which is checking your basic understanding of how will you analyze a statement. Because if you are watching this session, if this session is useful for you, please hit the like button and comment under the video after the lecture is over. And please share it among your friends. Those of you are watching me live or recorded, to all of you I'm addressing this, because that will help this video to reach to more and more people. Even if there were small technical glitches in between, hope this series is helping you. Want to know about it, because that is always a motivation for scheduling more such series in the future. Okay, due to lack of time, I will start explaining. Amit is a businessman, so he must be rich. So it's a conditional, sorry, it's a P implies Q statement. Amit is businessman, so he must be rich. So, मतलब businessman है तो he must be. The word must be is a very important term. He may be rich, नहीं, he must be rich. मतलब सिर्फ businessman होने के वजह से ही वो rich है. That's a meaning. Now, what does the statement imply, or what implication follows? Only businessmen are rich? Not necessary. Businessman के अलावा और भी professional people can be rich. Because businessman है तो rich होना चाहिए. Businessman नहीं है तो rich नहीं होना चाहिए. It does not mean that. That is called, this is what we learn in this chapter in detail. That is called inverse of the statement. एक statement true है तो उसका inverse भी true होना जरूरी नहीं है. Converse भी true होना जरूरी नहीं है. But contrapositive generally true होगा if a statement is true. Okay. So anyway, option A is not the answer because of the word only. If one is not a businessman, he cannot be rich. That is also again option A का another version itself. Businessman के अलावा और कोई rich नहीं हो सकता, वो भी गलत है. Because this statement does not say so. All businessmen are rich? Yes. Because he must be rich लिखा है. Just the information given as Amit is a businessman. वो information से ही conclude कर रहा है वो rich है. Again, don't connect it with real life situations. I think some of you, the mistake that you are making is this. That real life में सारा businessman rich नहीं है ना? Then why? Given data से क्या conclude कर सकता है? That's a question. All of you clear? Why option C is the correct answer? Okay, many of you got different answer. I will give you one more such question which checks your basic understanding of how well you understand a statement or a group of statements. Even in GATE exam comprehension also this skill is important. But where the passage will be little more lengthier generally. Carefully try करिए. Okay, I'll explain, or I will wait for 30 seconds. All of you try it please. Okay, the answers. Okay, you can see a few answers. Let's see which is correct. If there is rainfall, flowers will bloom. Rainfall हो रहा तो confirm flowers bloom करेगा. If flowers bloom, celebration will definitely take place, and flowers bloom means celebration will take place. Flowers did not bloom, then what you can conclude? Now, a natural tendency that some people can make is flowers bloom, celebration take place. So flowers don't bloom, celebration should not take place. No? Like option B. Is it correct? Wrong. Option B is wrong. Why? Because that is inverse of the statement. As I told, एक statement P then Q वाला statement true है, उसका मतलब उसका inverse भी true होना जरूरी नहीं है. That depends upon the situation. In this situation, we don't have any other clause which says that if flowers don't bloom, celebration will not take place. We can't say. Now, can you say celebration will take place? That also we can't say. उसके लिए भी data काफी नहीं है. Which is certain is asked. So we can't say whether celebration take place or not, because flowers bloom के वजह से भी celebration हो सकता है, दूसरा कारण से भी celebrations हो सकता है. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? So option A and B both are wrong. It did not rain, we can say. Why? Because raining हुआ तो confirm flowers bloom होगा ना. Raining हुआ तो confirm flowers bloom होगा. तो flowers bloom नहीं हुआ मतलब raining नहीं हुआ होगा या नहीं हुआ है. My Hindi is not that perfect. What I am trying to say is, if flowers did not bloom, confirm we can say it did not rain, because raining implies flowers bloom. So flowers did not bloom means it did not rain. That is called contrapositive of a statement. Generally, if a statement is true, contrapositive will be true. P implies Q is a statement means contrapositive means not Q implies not P. Here P is what? Flowers bloom. Sorry. P is what? Rainfall. Q is what? Flowers bloom. So flowers don't bloom means rainfall didn't happen. Because rainfall हुआ तो confirm flowers bloom करना है ना. So option C is the answer. All of you understood? New students, all students, all of you understood? I'm going in a moderate pace even if it is a rapid fire lecture, because everyone should understand. So try this. Coding decoding question. Last few years नेट एग्जाम और गेट एग्जाम दोनों में ये coding decoding is asked. Write fast. We have 5 minutes remaining for doing the remaining 2 questions. Any answers? Very good. Most of you got an answer. Wonderful. Okay, I'll explain. So, in a code, the word deltoid is written as 3152893. First of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here, if you look at it, T is 20th letter. So if it is directly connected to the alphabetical position, ये 7 से भी ज़्यादा digits होने का chances है. With the reason T letter, O letter, इसके वजह से ये सब 2-digit letters है ना. 2-digit when it is converted to numbers. So definitely it is not alphabetical connection as we discussed in one question in last class. It is direct connection most probably, because ये देखिए D3 is justified by D3 here also. So D is randomly assumed as 3. There can be some other reason, but without reason also you can answer this. That is what I am trying to say. E is similarly 1, L is similarly 5, T is similarly 2, O is similarly 8 and I is similarly 9. अभी इससे ही ऑप्शंस एलिमिनेट कर सकता है. L डेल्टॉइड का थर्ड लेटर, सो L5 होना चाहिए. 5 से शुरू करने वाला कितना ऑप्शंस है? 2 ऑप्शंस, बाकी दोनों एलिमिनेटेड. अभी ये देखिए 8298 सही में. डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम ऑन दैट. ओनली लास्ट डिजिट यू चेक if possible. Let us check. Yeah, n का पर्टिकुलर डिजिट चाहिए, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली डेल्टॉइड में n नहीं है ना. तो क्या करेगा? दैट इज वेर यू हैव टू स्मार्टली डू इट. 1 है या 6 है, दैट इज द 2 अल्टरनेटिव्स वी हैव. विदाउट एलिमिनेशन ये क्वेश्चन नहीं कर सकता है. 1 और 6 में से कौन सा? बट ऑलरेडी 1 इज ऑकरिंग ना, एंड दैट 1 शुड बी E. The last letter E नहीं है, इसलिए you can say that it is not 1. Did you all understood this? So option B is eliminated. Many of you got option A already, so I think this much explanation is enough. If you have doubts, please ask. That's a good question. Coding, decoding, there are infinite ways of asking. In the last class also I shown you this flashcard where different possibilities of coding, but इसके अलावा भी और बहुत सारा codings possible है. Then try this question. इसका similar एक question last class में भी किया था. Number system, digits and place values का question. This also is a frequent question last few years. They have told these questions are carefully picked. The questions which are from very important areas और last few years में क्वेश्चंस फ्रीक्वेंटली आने वाला सेक्शन से ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस वी हैव सेलेक्टेड. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, इशिगा. ऑल क्वेश्चंस, देयर मे नॉट बी अ लॉजिकल in the sense there may not be an alphabetical connection, or there may not be a logical reason which is consistent. It can be a random assumption also. Random assumption be possible है, because that also needs logic ना. बट ABCDE है तो सारे लेटर्स के लिए कॉमन वाला एक रूल नहीं होगा कुछ क्वेश्चंस में. ट्राई दिस. Okay, due to lack of time, I will start explaining. Sum of digits of a 2-digit number AB is subtracted from the number, and the result sum of digits of AB means A plus B is subtracted from the number means number should be written as 10A plus B, because I had told you last class also 2-digit number in school you have learned can be written as 10A plus B if A and B are digits, like 23 is 10 into 2 plus 3. So 10A plus B से A plus B subtract किया तो A plus B subtract कर रहा है, so you have to put a bracket. So simplifying you will get 10A plus B minus A minus B. B cancels, so 9A मिलेगा. And the result which is 9A is divided by 9. तो ये 9 से divide कर रहा है. So 9 cancels, you will get always A. Very simple na. We are ready to represent it. It is very simple. Then try the next question. Yeah, this question we will discuss it together. Unit digit का question है. So last digit of a power is a topic that I have explained many times. वो last digit of power से ये question कर सकता है. नहीं है तो इसका shortcut method ये है. If you know this formula, sum of first n natural number का cubes, cube of natural number sum is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. If you know that formula, this is first 9 natural number का cube का sum. So 9 into 9 plus 1, 9 into 10 by 2 the whole square. इससे directly इसका sum मिलेगा. So that is 90 by 2, 45 square. 45 square अभी virtual calculator है उससे कर सकता है, नहीं है तो if you know a Vedic math trick which I have explained in one of the previous YouTube videos in this channel itself, to square a number ending in 5. In Vedic math there is a sutra called Egadigena Purvena, which says the digit before 5, add 1 to that and multiply by 1 more than the previous one. So 4 into 5 40, 4 into 5 20, and 5 ka square 25. Again, I am not elaborating that technique or anything, because as virtual calculator is there, you can do with that also. But speed math saves even more time. So anyway, what 2025 होगा, so 5 होगा last digit. Again, ऐसा कर सकता है, नहीं है तो if you know the pattern of 1 cube ends in 1, 2 cube ends in 8, 3 cube ends in 7, और last digits का sum किया तो भी चलेगा. Different ways of doing this question is there. All of you understood this? Please respond. So that are the 10 questions. So if you felt the session is useful, please share it with more people and be part of our free resources, especially our Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. We give free study materials there, and today's and yesterday's practice questions, today's and yesterday's questions we will be uploading in the mobile application soon. So download our mobile application Christy's classes. There also you will get study materials. And if you want to be part of our systematic courses, compared to the YouTube videos, our complete courses are much more advanced, because that is having the latest materials, latest not only videos, you will be getting class notes of each class, practice worksheets of each class, PYQs of all topics, mock test, 10 mock test. And in our live complete course, you will have a structured format also. 3-day class, 3-day practice, and Sunday weekly test. That way we do it. And the new complete course will be announcing soon for the June 2026 CSIR-NET and for GATE 2027. So, but 2026 aspirants, currently the crash course for GATE is running, and CSIR-NET का recorded course भी चल रहा है, and GATE का recorded course also. The latest recorded course we are going to launch it very soon. So that's it. If there is any other doubts, please ask. Hope the lecture was useful. So please comment under the video what you felt about the lecture. So do you want these sessions to continue? Tomorrow's class, there is a small doubt because there is some other meeting at that time. So tomorrow's class we may postpone. Anyway, as promised, these 5 lectures will happen. But Monday most probably will be continuing. I will update you in the groups. Yeah, all of you be part of the Telegram channel or WhatsApp group so that you don't miss any of our messages or any of the updates. In our groups, we do conduct initiatives like question of the day and other initiatives that also you can be part of. So that's it. If there is no other doubts, let's conclude. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Have a good night. See you all on the next